Hey YouTube, it's your girl Tink Authentic Collections, and welcome to my channel Life with Tink. Before we get into the video, if you enjoy my content and want to support, you can send a super thanks or join my membership. I truly appreciate you being here and watching my videos to support me, and also don't forget to follow me on social media at Tink Authentic Co. Now let's get into the video. So here I am making my boyfriend daughter a Easter basket, and my theme, I'm not really a huge fan of pink. However, I did not want to overload her Easter basket with a bunch of toys and candy, so I added books. And I'm not gonna do too much explaining. You'll see what else I added to her Easter basket, but I hope you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notification. And also, if you support me, and don't forget to send super thanks and join my membership. And keep in mind, everything that I got for her Easter basket was from Dollar Tree. If not Dollar Tree, I went to Family Dollar. So I had to add the stuffed bunny because I kind of forgot about it. So I had to rearrange everything. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also turn on your post notification. And also don't forget to send a super thanks, super gift, or anything super that you want to super send. It's like, no, but thank you guys for watching and staying tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow me at Tink Authentic Co.